Your home is about to get the ultimate convenience upgrade. These 5 Amazon finds are changing how people live. Prepare to be amazed. First, smart automatic curtain opener that's bringing the future to your windows. Electric operation with remote control, automatic curtain robot, bedroom, living room, office, wake up to perfect lighting every day. Second, bamboo sofa armrest tray that's revolutionizing couch comfort. 2-in-1 design with detachable cup holder, anti-slip foldable table, remote, snacks, cell phone, drinks, everything within arm's reach. Third, electric grill and hot pot combo with dual zone control that's party perfection. 26.6-inch yin-yang nonstick skillet, indoor smokeless BBQ, adjustable temperature, easy clean, family gatherings just got epic. Fourth, space-saving hangers that multiply your closet space instantly. Plastic collapsible organizer with 9 holes. Magic foldable design, shirts, clothes, wardrobe organization that creates room from nowhere. And last, over-the-door shoe organizer with 24 large breathable mesh pockets. Space-saving hanging storage, holds 40 pounds, closet rack perfection, shoes, accessories organized without taking floor space. These aren't just products, they're the smart home solutions that organized families are obsessing over. Don't wait while these space-saving miracles disappear. Tap shop now below, hit the link and grab yours today. Your perfectly organized home awaits.